All right, guys, we are working on the NSX today. It's gonna be something simple, something safety-wise, right? Safety first, safety always. So on the NSX, I've been driving it around for years, and something I didn't think about. If the hood comes off of this car, like the latch fails, comes up and hits the roof on the NSX, pretty much a lot of people would say, and I would say, the car is totaled. It's very dangerous to have a carbon fiber hood and not secure it properly.
Oh shit.
So sometimes the vibration or just not securing the hood or pushing it fully down, it's not gonna secure the carbon fiber hood. It has a lot of flex in it, right? So, long story short, I am gonna secure this hood using a hood latch. Now this right here is from Aero Catch. Yeah, let's install this and let's secure the hood to the car. And I think it's gonna come out looking nice, but hey, you be the judge, leave a comment. Let's go. This pin is gonna go right there, and the other one is gonna go right across from it. I'm gonna mark the middle of this guy right here and see where it touches the hood. Hit. Okay, so we're gonna drill right there and right there. Perfect. All right, like so. That's where I'm gonna put it. You see the little slot right here? You're gonna line this guy up with this. See that? Now you just trace your hole. Put this edge to this leading edge. All right, she is installed. Now, I still have the original latch on the car. So you see I push it down. Now I'm gonna lock it in place. It's locked in place. Now, do I feel safe with that? Do I feel like the hood's gonna come up and hit the windshield? Now with these latches, I feel a lot safer now. Easy as that, right? I feel a lot better that this hood is not gonna come up on me on the freeway, going to Cars and Coffee, on the track, and possibly causing an accident, right? So with that being said, thank you guys for the support. And on the next couple of videos, we're gonna focus on safety, because I wanna make sure that us as a community, as a car family, that we all stay safe out there. And I'll see you guys on the next video.